Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the reset now. Make sure the headphones are powered off and have at least 20% battery. Once done, position the right ear cup so you can reach both buttons. Press and hold the power and the NC/ambient buttons together for about 7 seconds. You'll see the indicator flash. This initial step clears temporary glitches and prepares the unit for a deeper reset, so do not release early. Hold until the LED confirms the action. Once the LED pattern appears, release the buttons and wait for the headphones to reboot. This completes the internal reset. Make sure to open the Sony Headphones Connect app. If it prompts for initial setup, follow the on-screen guidance to restore default settings and audio profiles. After the app finishes, go to your device's Bluetooth menu and remove old WH-1000XM4 entries, then pair again as a new device. This two-step, you're almost done. Test noise canceling, playback, and call mic to verify success. If pairing fails, immediately delete any WH-1000XM4 entries on your phone, restart the phone and the headphones, then try pairing again. This clears stale profiles. If a feature still misbehaves, repeat the factory reset once more, because sometimes a second pass resolves persistent corrupt settings. Finally, if issues remain, note your model and serial number and contact Sony support for warranty or repair options. Keep calm and provide clear symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.